Our UV laser tablet printing is highly trusted for its reliability in the pharmaceutical industry. Qualicaps was the first in Japan to develop this technology, and with our proven dependability and extensive expertise, we have provided innovative value to tablet printing. Leveraging this technology and expertise, Qualicaps is proud to introduce QUALIS-Pro, an all-in-one UV laser printing and inspection system offering faster printing and advanced inspection in one compact unit. Let's take a look at the printing and inspection process of QUALIS-Pro. Tablets loaded into the hopper travel through the supply feeder and reach the disc ring feeder, where they are aligned and transferred onto the suction disc. Because the suction disc uses gentle suction, no pressure is applied to the tablets. Next comes inspection and printing. As the tablets move forward, both the front and back sides are inspected and printed in sequence. 3D and visual cameras inspect the tablets from all angles as they are carried on the first suction disc. After inspection, the UV laser prints the marking, which is immediately checked by a dedicated camera. The tablets are then flipped to the opposite side for the same process. After the final sorting check, only good tablets move to the next stage. QUALIS-Pro uses UV laser light to react with titanium dioxide on the tablet surface. When UV laser light is applied to titanium dioxide on the tablet surface, oxygen atoms are released. As oxygen atoms detach, the titanium to oxygen ratio changes, turning the titanium dioxide from white to gray. The printing is created using this color change. Because no ink is used, defects such as missing text, double printing, or ink transfer do not occur. Designs can be created freely using CAD software, text, logos, and even illustrations. The wide printable area and high visibility help prevent accidental ingestion. UV laser printing is non-thermal, meaning the tablet surface changes color without heat damage. Since no ink or organic solvents are used, the process is safe for personnel and the environment. It also complies with halal requirements as no animal-derived ink is used. QUALIS-Pro performs full 360-degree inspection, including side surfaces, 3D shapes, and printed characters. Using a 3D camera, it can measure not only the shape of printed text or images, but also the depth of engravings and surface irregularities on the tablets. This makes it easier to detect surface defects such as scratches or peeling on the tablets. This proprietary inspection system has made it possible to process up to 400,000 tablets per hour. The disc ring feeder features a simple, highly efficient structure that enables fast alignment and easy maintenance. With highly versatile components, no special parts are needed for different tablet types, improving both cost performance and ease of maintenance. QUALIS-Pro measures just 1.4 meters wide, 1.7 meters deep, and 2 meters high, With a built-in vacuum blower, it requires minimal installation space. The only required utilities are power and compressed air. By raising the height of the good quality product conveyor, the equipment designed for post-processing becomes simple and easy. Fast, precise printing, reliable, thorough inspection. QUALIS-Pro, the all-in-one UV laser solution that elevates pharmaceutical tablet printing to the next level.